Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and some peanut brittles out there have so few peanuts in them that they barely qualify to have the word peanut in their name. I can say with zero hesitation that that is not the case whatsoever with this Brittle Brothers peanut brittle. When my husband saw that I got this, he actually wasn't that inclined to try it at all because he said he didn't like peanut brittle. Obviously what he meant though was that he didn't like bad peanut brittle, because once he tried this one, he was totally hooked. We have both been so impressed by the sheer number of peanuts that are packed into this delicious brittle. It has amazing texture and bite to it, and the taste is so buttery, rich, slightly salty and creamy, and it complements the peanuts perfectly. It is an incredibly addictive snack. I find myself reaching for it and craving it often throughout the day. It's great for indulging in at any time, but I also find it to be an excellent snack to take with me hiking. It provides a good combination of nutrients to really fuel me and keep me going. It's safe to say that my husband and I have never tried a peanut brittle quite like this one. No others can even compare. But that's just my point of view.